How to use the scratchpad. From the dashboard, click on the File section, find the column labeled scratchpad, double-click into the text box, type the note that you wish to enter. This is visible for all users when they log in and see this scratchpad column. Once the note is erased, it is not visible any longer. This also does not get saved to the notes, so keep that in mind when you do erase anything. It will not show up anywhere else. You can set a due date for your scratchpad comment. So maybe you wanted to pick up contents and you want them picked up on the 14th. You would set that date to the 14th, and then you can sort based on your dates that are due. At the top of the column, click, and it will sort ascending or descending depending on how you want to see them.